They ray heading towards the same goal, though they have their own thinking and persistence. They ray all brilliant, though they ray in different positions. His persistence lies in surpassing himself ceaselessly. It is a new challenge to make every new design with no shortcut. Every piece of layout is just like a new life and deserves his consideration. His persistence lies in avoiding irregular production. Every piece of board can be admitted to workshop with his supervision. His persistence lies in ensuring high quality and delivering satisfying products to customers. Her persistence lies in providing considerate service. Every conversation is the start of success. Their persistence lies in introducing the products to worldwide in different ways. Their persistence lies in standardizing each production flow in its products. And their persistence is to make every set of office furniture the best one.